Now we're going to do our body squat, which it helps us to strengthen up our lower muscles. It also helps us with stability. So now with this one, you're only using your legs to push your body up. So you can keep your hands here, you can keep your hands here, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna prefer to keep my hands there. So I'm gonna sit there, keeping my upper body straight, and I'm gonna push with my legs up straight, keeping my glutes engaged there. I'm controlling it. I stop and I push it up straight there. Let's give it a try. You just give me 10, only 10. Yes, sir. Open up enough space there. That's perfect. Close it up a little bit, sir. Okay, can open it up just that's perfect there now, so you can keep your hands straight there. And I want you now to control it all the way down. Please keep your hips flat. That's one. Now I want you to control it up. You stop there and then use your legs. And that's 2. Nice one. Let's go. Control it. And that's 3. Nice one. Let's go. And you push it up. That's 4. Now I want you to breathe out when you're going up. You breathe out. That's 5. Nice one. You breathe in now. And you breathe out. That's 6. Let's go. Yes, that's 7. Nice one. Keep going. And that's 8. Only 2 more now to go. That's 9. 1 more to go. Last one. And that's 10. That's brilliant. So now from this one, we're going to move now and do your core. We're going to work your core muscles, which now this one will also help to strengthen up your core, which help with the balance as well. So I'm just going to show you. Now we're going to do your crunches. Let me just show you. So with this one, right there, you're using your core to lift up yourself. So we're just gonna crunch just there. That's 1. You're not coming all the way up. Just crunch, squeeze your core. Make sure your core is engaged, and you keep it engaged, and then you squeeze it there. So for this one, you can just give me 10 as well, blue. There you go. Get ready. Nice one. 3, 2, and 1. Nice one. Now just engage your core and come up. Yes, that's 1. Control it. That's 2. Now try not to jump. Just squeeze your core. 3. Well done. There we go. And crunch. That's 4. Nice one. And go. That's 5. You're halfway now. 5 more. And that's 6. Nice one. 4 more. That's 7. Only 3 more now. Keep it tight. That's 8. 2 more now. That's 9. Last one. And that's 10. And that's brilliant.